Hi everyone, this is Shriya. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to permanently delete your account at DLSurf. If you have made up your mind, we want to make the process more easy, secure and respectful at the same time. So let's get started. First, log into your DLSurf account. Now, head over to the settings section from your dashboard. Scroll all the way down to the button. Here, you'll see an option that says Delete Account. Click on the Proceed to Delete button. You'll see a text box where you can optionally share your reason for leaving. This feedback helps us improve, but it's completely optional. Once done, click Continue to Verification. Next, we will send a verification OTP to your registered email address. Open your email, copy the OTP and enter in the field provided. Once your OTP is verified, your account along with your files, data and records will be permanently deleted. Please note that this action is irreversible. Once deleted, your account and associated data cannot be recovered. At DLSurf, we respect your choice and privacy. We were truly grateful to have you as a part of our community, and we hope to welcome you in the future if things ever changes. Until then, thank you for being with us. Take care.